Okay, so today we're going to be talking about candlesticks. I have been asked by a couple viewers of the YouTube channel if I would be able to talk through a little bit more about candlesticks, and we're not going to be doing a very long video today because I'm actually a little bit sick. I'm very sick, but I decided I had to do this video because my weekends, I have to be working on weekends. I just can't take time off. That's just not who I am. So one thing I am allowed to do, which the doctor said I can do, is make some videos. So we are going to be doing a short video just walking you through exactly what candlesticks are in my candlestick PDF guide. So just to introduce myself to you, my name is Morgan and I'm the director of MS Equities Trading. I'm a professional trader that manages capital for clients and trades it in the financial markets, but I also train students in 28 countries around the world. I run a very specialized online training academy where I teach people about how to trade and invest in the financial markets. We teach them about how to trade commodities, stocks, Forex, and indices, as well as teaching them about the investment principles relating to these markets. So in terms of what we're going to be showing you is a breakdown of a PDF guide that we give out to our students in phase 2 of their training. So inside our training program, we have multiple different phases. It's over a 12-month training program. So to anyone who wants to find out more about that, you can head over to the website www.msequitiestraining.com. But we are going to quickly give you a rundown of the PDF guide. I'm going to talk you through it, and then we are going to close off this video and I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on this PDF guide just at the end. It's going to be quite a short video, so just hang tight. We'll be done very soon. Okay, so as mentioned to you, this is the PDF candlestick guide that I built for my students. Now, just to put this simply, there are tons and tons of candlestick guides out there in the market, and I completely understand that you can probably go onto a website and you can find quite a lot of this information. It's very simple information. It's like learning how to spell. It's basically like a dictionary for traders. But what I'm basically doing is just walking you through my candlestick guide, which is quite simple, very well put together. And what it basically allows you to do is, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on it. And it just allows you to be able to print this candlestick guide out, keep it with you at your trading desk. And it's quite simple to use. It's quite simple to get access to. It's a lot easier than having to go onto websites and research everything, etc., because this is nice. It's simple. It's for people who want to start out learning about how to trade, as well as people who might have a couple months, maybe a year or two worth of trading experience, but they still need a candlestick guide with them to refer back to when they're trading. So just onto the candlestick guide, as you'll see, there's a disclaimer just basically saying this is for educational purposes only. And then there's just a simple terms and conditions right there. Once again, this is a candlestick guide that I built for my students. So please make sure that you're not going to go and try and distribute this out to other people and get them to pay for it. Yes, you can give it to other people free of charge. Please don't try and go and make money selling this to someone, especially because it's quite a simple PDF guide. But what you're going to see is there's just a simple introduction to what candlesticks are, talking about a bull candle and a bear candle, how to identify them, what exactly represents the characteristics of each. You'll also see that it talks about exactly what the candle comprises of, so the high, the low, the open, and the close, and discussing exactly which points of that to do with the bear candle as well. So we're also going through the simple basics and the introduction of it as well. Talking about the candle, what you name each part of the candle, the differences between all of the different types of candles, and then specifically the candlestick formations. Now, in terms of candlestick formations, there are hundreds of different candlestick formations that people love to talk about. Everyone has some specific type of candlestick formation that they might have or like to use. This specific PDF guide is just listing the simplest and most well-used candlestick formations that I've been able to find in the market and that many other traders make use of. Now, in terms of candlestick analysis, it is a very important thing for all traders to know and be able to use, but it's not necessarily the only thing you should be using when you're trading. You obviously need to use multiple other different strategies when you are analyzing your trade ideas. But these are just going to be a few simple bullish candlestick formations and a few bearish candlestick formations. Now, these candlestick formations sometimes have different names depending on where you look in the industry, but these are just the simplest forms, the simplest names that I know of that most people understand. And what you're going to see is by just practicing these simple formations, you can learn a huge amount about candlestick formations. So that is one big tip that I'd give to you, is try not to go out into the internet and look for thousands of different formations that might actually confuse you a little bit if you don't have enough experience trading candlesticks. Okay, so back onto the PDF, you're going to see for the bullish formations, we're going to be talking about the hammer, the dragonfly doji, the bullish engulfing, the morning star, the bullish spinning top, and bullish gaps. For bearish, we're going to be talking about the gravestone doji, the bearish engulfing, evening star, the bearish spinning top, and bearish gaps. Very, very simple. Now, in terms of bullish formations, what you'll see is there'll be a simple explanation as well as drawings basically showing you exactly what the candlesticks look like. So that's also very important to make use of the examples. This is why I said to you, when you can get this PDF printed out that you can keep next to you, it is very, very easy to reference straight back to it so you can make use of it. You'll see there's the bearish engulfing the morning star, the bullish engulfing the morning star, and exactly what the candlestick colors should be. So also that's important to identify the colors as well. Then talking about the last two, the bullish formations, the bullish spinning top and the bullish gaps, as well as simple explanations. Then if you go into the bearish formations, you're going to see the same, the gravestone doji, bearish engulfing, evening star, bearish spinning top, and then the last one, the bearish gap. And then just right down at the end, we're going to give you some examples. So these examples are also really nice to make use of. There's 11 candlestick formations that we have presented to you, but these are the simple examples. So this is showing you actual live trades that I have taken snapshots of on the trading charts, and I've identified the different types of formations that you'd be able to see. So you can see there's a bullish spinning top, dragonfly doji, bullish engulfing, the dragonfly doji again. You're going to see gravestone dojis, the bullish gap. There are multiple different examples that you can make use of. So these are also very nice for you to practice and reference directly to real trades and what it looks like on the charts. So once again, like I just showed you, it's a very, very nice, simple, well laid out PDF guide. It's really nice for you to use. Just print it out, keep it with you. But what you're going to have to do in order to get access to this PDF guide is something pretty simple. Just email study@msequitiestrading.com and ask us for the candlestick PDF guide. There's nothing you have to do. There's no hoops you have to jump through. Just all you got to do is email us, ask for the candlestick guide, and my team will send it straight through to you. Hopefully this is going to help you all out. I hope you'll also be able to learn a bit more about the candlestick analysis and how this simple candlestick guide can help you and help you develop and practice a bit more. But what you can see, everyone, to anyone who's new to this channel and to some people who are watching the videos for the first few times, that's really what this YouTube channel is for. To allow myself to spend my time teaching people based all over the world. We have people watching this YouTube channel from over 110 countries from around the world. There are people from all over that are able to watch these videos completely free of charge and learn a bit more about how to trade and invest in the financial markets. But once again, to anyone who might be interested in taking it one step further and wanting to actually get access to real online training with a team of professionals, you'll also be able to get access to our training academy. Now, you're probably asking, how much does the training academy cost? Now, in terms of that, we are actually running a pretty interesting promotional discount right now. Most recently, I landed up opening up a big portfolio management group, a financial portfolio management group, where I am managing capital on behalf of clients based all over the world. That is something very big that we'll be coming out with soon. But in celebration of that, we gave away 60 seats at an 80% discount, meaning that you would be able to study for $150 in our training academy for 12 months. You can see all of the information up here talking about exactly what you get access to. So anyone who wants to learn more in-depth detail about exactly what you get access to, you can go onto the website, once again, www.msequitiestrading.com. And on the website, you'll see how we use a very specialized online training platform. We also have mobile apps that you can access and that allows you to train with us on a daily basis, as well as private coaching programs during the 12 months. To anyone who wants access to that promotional discount, we only have 15 seats left, and I'm sure they're probably going to be all used up within the next week or two. So make sure to email us and get access to those seats. My team will contact you straight back. We'll organize a Skype session between one of my coaches and you directly. We'll discuss if this academy training is going to be a good step for you, and if we think it's going to be good for you, we will make sure to bring you onto the program, and you will be joining the team of students from over 28 countries around the world to study with us. Once again, everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That helps us a lot. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, because then you can get access to the weekly educational content we upload all the time. Once again, cheers for now, and I will see you in the next video.